Hey, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Lunar Classic update today. So it is very sad to see what the market has been doing for now, and we've seen yet again, another big drop in the market. Of course, Bitcoin has done another manipulation, but I always expect such things in the market. Okay, it's just crypto. It's how it is. And when I say Bitcoin did a manipulation, what I'm talking about is if I show you the 4 hour time frame here and I try to zoom in there, so everyone was talking about this little bit of, you know, symmetrical triangle. It is a symmetrical triangle. Here is a resistance line, and that is your support line. So what you did is you went to the upside, you came down, and you can see that this was a perfect retest, and you also pretty much confirmed by going back up. So traders were more interested to get into Bitcoin at this point because they saw that the retest is done and then manipulation happened. So there could be chances that Bitcoin manipulates here, but that's not enough. Notice how you have one support, another support, and you've lost it here, right? But you may still make another manipulation and try to move back up. It's still something that is possible because now you have altcoins discounted all the way to the downside. So when I say discounted to the downside, you can see that Luna Classic is already down. So let's talk about Luna Classic, 1 hour time frame. I think Luna Classic is pretty cheap. And today, I'm actually interested to get into Luna Classic. I think 10,000 here, if we talk about a long-term opportunity, maybe it's a very good opportunity moving forward long-term wise. Okay, and I think if you ask me personally, not a financial advice, I think yes, there's blood, there's fear now, there's uncertainty going on, what's going to happen next, and I think these are the moments when people buy. The smart ones really buy. So thing is, yes, based on buying conditions, it is buying condition based on chart reading. If we go with the RSI, now that Luna Classic is already down, it's actually down to the historical daily lows. So you're coming down to probably where the flow really is, but you do have chances for something where you go underneath the line here, you went underneath here, and you went even underneath right there. So there could be chances we probably see something like this one more time and then probably go up. But nonetheless, you can see that yes, the RSI suggests that previously this was good entry here. It was another good entry right there, another one right here, probably here, and now you have already came down to touch here. Now, if you need more confirmation, maybe wait few more days and try to see if we do make another new low, like maybe down to 84.54, or maybe down to 8,000. Now, in the meanwhile, when you go down like this, if you start to push back up like that, we may see a divergence, and that's where I think it's an easy entry. Okay, if you move down like this and you're pushing the RSI, amazing. Something okay. Let's go back in time. You have the wick here. We need a little bit more consolidation, just like you had the wick right over here. I'm talking about this consolidation and this little bit of a push up with the RSI, right? So nonetheless, it's almost like you're entering here and you're entering here right now, and it may take some few more days, make a little bit more stress, more depression, and then finally from 21 of August you started pumping in November. So maybe 1 or 2 months, and this makes sense because after halving, the market actually picks up after 2 to 3 months on history, based on what history shows as well. So we could see probably 1.5 months of a very big boredom. But then again, maybe this is the last chance you have ever on any coin, not just Luna Classic. Maybe this is the last chance because after halving, that's it, game over. Everything just goes crazy. I'm pretty sure about this one because that's what history showed us 4 times before. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.